think we've identified the cheapest item in the box so far. I feel like at this point they're just putting that on packaging to sell more, you know? If you put out your wishes to the world will return them. Oh, I just ruined my whole hair. Привет, hello, and bonjour, and welcome to my channel. Today we are unboxing the October Birchbox. As I mentioned several times before, I live in France, so it is the French Birchbox. However, plot twist, this month they gained independence from Birchbox of America and became their own brand. So technically, as of today, October 1st, they are called Blissim, deriving from the English word bliss, which is a bit odd because it's still a French company. It's still 5 items, same price, but one thing I noticed, they very clearly now state that it's 3 full-size items, which, thank you very much Blissim, because in the past I've been frustrated with Birchbox because it's a lot of deluxe samples and maybe 1 or 2 full-size items. One thing I will quickly mention, they don't celebrate Halloween in France, so unfortunately there's no cute whimsical Halloween theme. Nonetheless, I am very excited to open this box, so let's get going. So the cool thing now with the boxes is, usually you have the lid to take off. Now you get this cute little slidey drawer, which is very fun. I personally love the other kind of box just because I use it for storage and organizing my makeup. But I suppose if you stacked a bunch of these together, you can make a cute little drawer. Science. Engineering. Yes. So if we open the box, this is what it looks like for this month. So let's get going with our first product. I will take this cute little thing. This is the Je ne sais quoi Softnening lip gloss by the brand Bloomy in the shade Pink Ladies. Now, I've never heard of this brand, so I'm very excited to try. And if I'm not mistaken, yeah, it's a doe foot in a tube. Excuse me. It's a doe foot in a tube, which I really like that packaging, and I don't own anything like it, so I'm very excited to try. Oh, it smells so nice. It's like kind of sugar cookie, sugar sweetness, but not too strong. Sometimes it's sickly strong. It's like a very soft, it's a very soft coral shade. Should I put it on top? Oh, it feels so nice. Softening is definitely a good word to describe this, because it's not very like glossy lip gloss, but it is definitely kind of slick. It feels, you know, that wet kind of softness. That sounds strange to say. That's what it feels like on the lips. It feels absolutely lovely. I'm very excited to try this and have this in my bag. And yeah, cool. This guy will set you back full price for €14.90. Next, let's take out something that is very clear what it is. This is the oil-infused micellar water ultra by La Roche Posay. So it has oil and regular micellar water in it, and it's the kind that you need to shake. Is this anything magical? No, it's micellar water. But no, it doesn't have a smell. I definitely love micellar water. It's what I use to take off my makeup every day, and it's nice to have one with oil to tackle really intense makeup, because it gets rid of waterproof stuff too. Am I gonna use it? Absolutely. Is it blowing my mind? No. But, you know, hey, when you travel, it's nice to have a little bottle for it and not have to take your giant one. So that's cool. And this guy, full price for 400 mils is €14.30, making the 50 ml guy €1.79. I think we've identified the cheapest item in the box so far. Hopefully I'm correct. Next, let's go into a brand I'm very excited about. We have the Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Primer. Bumble is a wonderful brand. It's sold in Sephora as well. It's quite expensive, so I'm very excited to get a really nice size deluxe sample, because I'm not always one to splurge on Bumble. But this basically you put in damp or dry hair, and it helps protect against heat tools, which is great because I think most people nowadays use some sort of heat. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells heavenly. I don't even know if it's a specific scent, but just something very clean, beachy, something, you know the smell that's like hair smell. It's great. I'm very excited to try this. Good size. I feel like this will last me several times. This is the kind of deluxe sample I love to see in these kinds of boxes, so I'm very stoked on that. This guy, full size, is 250 mils and €27, making this little 30 ml guy €3.24. So yeah, that's not bad. very excited to give this one a go. Next, I'm gonna take out the other makeup item. So here we have, by the brand Mayy, a duo, let me open the lid so you can see it better, a duo blush and highlighter in the shade Rose and Champagne. Now, I've never heard of this brand before. First of all, I really like the lid. If you can see, it's just kind of a plastic cap with no clickety-click here. So that's interesting. As I said, I've never heard of this brand before, and I think at this point, yeah, those are nice. Everybody has a pink blush and a champagne highlighter. So am I blown away by the item itself? No, but I'm definitely excited to try a new brand. Haven't heard of them. Maybe, you know, they're gonna be excellent. Good pan size for the highlighter. However, for the blush, I feel like it's a tiny bit small to get your blush brush in. Ooh, said that. And I feel like if I try, I'm gonna end up mixing both products together, which isn't what I always want. So for that reason, I'm a little bit, but still gonna give it an honest go, and maybe the formula is gonna absolutely blow me away. This guy, full size, will set you back €14.90. So it better be gosh darn good. And it has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E in it, which I don't know how that plays in dry products, but hopefully it's good for the skin. I feel like at this point they're just putting that on packaging to sell more, you know? But we'll see. And last but not least, and honestly, strangely, the item I'm probably the most excited for, we have the Daily Concepts Daily Headband. Why am I so excited for this? It's a headband. First of all, super freaking cute color. It's like that kind of bluey lavender. But I've honestly been wanting to buy one of these for weeks, if not a couple of months now, because every time I wash off my makeup or do a face mask, I realize I don't really have one of these, the thick ones, to push back my hair. I just have kind of the ones for running, the really thin ones. And I'm very excited to not have to go out and just buy and find one. It came to me. If you put out your wishes to the world will return them. But this guy, full price, is €7.90. So again, really good, nice value, and I'm excited to try. I do have a big head, so hopefully it fits me. Oh, good thing I opened it. So I thought it was gonna be one of those with the, that was supposed to be Velcro, but it's not, it's just one of these. I'm already feeling like it's gonna be too small for my head. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this isn't as fun as I thought it would be. It fits, cute color. I'm still gonna use it, but oh, I just ruined my whole hair. Okay, I would have preferred it to be a Velcro one or something like that. Nonetheless, very excited to have it, and I'm glad I finally have something. I suppose if I'm taking off my makeup or doing a mask, I don't really care about ruining my hair or makeup too much, I guess. Alrighty, Roo, so that was the box for October. As I mentioned, not really an October Halloween theme, but that's okay. I really liked all of the products, and I'm 100% gonna use all of them. The one I probably care the least for, honestly, is the blush and highlight. Just in general, I feel like I use more peachy tones now, or I try to, and I already have a full pink blush palette, pink and red. They obviously don't know that, so I'm not mad. I'm still gonna absolutely use this and try it, but I'm just kind of like, oh, nice. That's nice. Everything else I'm either just straight up gonna use up, or I'm very excited to try. In the excited to try category, of course, is the lip gloss. It's more like a shimmery lip balm, if I'm being honest. But yeah, totally stoked on that. Really great. I feel like Birchbox, Blissim, has been turning it up lately. The last box was super dope. Look at me with the slang, yo, dope. But this one as well, really nice. Great products, good value. Aha, the value. So if you add up the value of this month's box products, the value is €42.77, which is quite good because it's pretty much slightly more than triple the cost of the box. And as always, I will put up all three currencies here so you see the true value of the box if you happen to live in one of the three currency countries that I put up. So let me know what you guys thought about this box. Did you subscribe to the October one? If you have the British one, is it very different from the French one this month? I'm curious now that they're kind of parting ways, how different it's really gonna be from each other. But overall, still stoked to try them and keep going, at least until the end of the year. I'm really curious about the Christmas box. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe, please. I just hit 100 subscribers, by the way. Oh my gosh. And it's very exciting, but at the same time, it feels kind of really lame to be like, woo, 100 subscribers. But I'm really grateful and I really appreciate it. Thank you to everyone who did subscribe. And if you watched my video and you haven't, please join us. And hopefully the journey to 1,000 will be much quicker. But in any case, I'm very grateful for everybody's support, so thank you very much if you are subscribed or watching or liking my videos regularly. Other than that, you can catch me on social media at Slavic Chic, and I'll hopefully catch you guys in the next video. Bye!